Protecting Earth's surface. Protecting our Earth. Earth's surface is always changing. Some changes are good. Floods bring new soil to the land along rivers. The minerals in the soil help improve farmland. Volcanoes can also create new farmland full of minerals. Volcanoes in the ocean can create new islands. These tomato plants are growing in rich volcanic soil in Spain. Danger by land and sea. Some changes to Earth's surface are not good. Earthquakes can destroy land and buildings. Tsunamis wash away homes and damage coastlines. Water and wind can strip the soil from farmland. Scientists are working to better understand these forces. They want to find ways to slow these forces or prevent them from happening. If scientists better understand Earth's forces, they can help people prepare for dangerous changes. Quick changes. Changes to Earth's surface can happen quickly or slowly. Volcanoes, earthquakes, and floods are some ways the surface changes quickly. Volcanoes are openings in Earth's surface. When a volcano erupts, hot melted rock from deep underground is pushed out of the opening. Lava flowing out from a volcano covers everything in its path. The lava then cools into new rock. On the move. Earthquakes cause Earth's surface to shake suddenly. This can create cracks in the ground and cause buildings to fall. Floods can move a lot of soil and rocks in a short time. Floodwater is strong enough to move huge rocks. The running water can carve out deep channels in the soil. Slow changes. Erosion happens when material moves from one place to another. It can happen quickly during floods. It can also happen very slowly. Wind can erode soil from farmland. Over time, rock is all that is left. Streams and rivers also remove soil. Water slowly erodes the land along the sides of rivers. This can create a canyon. Wearing away. Wind can blow tiny bits of rock at landforms. This can cause small pieces of the landforms to break off. Landforms can wear away over time. This wearing down is called weathering. Once a landform has been weathered, erosion can move it. Doing harm. Erosion and weathering are happening all the time. Sometimes they can be harmful to the land and the people living on it. Erosion can happen quickly during a heavy rain. Rocks on hillsides can come loose and soil can turn to mud. The mud and rocks can slide down the hill in a landslide. Losing ground. Erosion can be harmful to farmland. Rich soil can be blown away by wind. This means less land for farmers to grow food. The blown soil can fall into rivers, streams, and ponds. This can cause the water to become polluted. The soil in the water blocks sunlight from reaching the plants below. Plants need sunlight to live. Human hands. Humans can also cause harmful changes to Earth's surface. The roots of trees and plants help hold soil in place. Clearing land for farming means the soil will be loose. When soil is loose, there's more chance of erosion from wind or water. Building dams changes the way a river moves. This can affect the fish living in it. Changing landscape. When people put in new roads, the land changes. It is flattened for safer driving. Hills are removed and valleys are filled in with soil. Mining leaves large holes in the ground. The land above mines can fall in. New roads change the land. There are fewer trees and plants to help stop erosion from wind and water. Problem solvers. Scientists are working hard to understand erosion. They meet to share ideas. This is called brainstorming. Brainstorming helps to plan experiments and create new tools. Scientists have learned new ways of measuring soil loss. Using models. Scientists sometimes build models to help them understand a problem. A model is a small copy of something larger. A model of a shoreline is very useful. Scientists can use the model to study how waves erode the coast. They can also test new ways to protect beaches from eroding. Making it better. There are many ways people can help slow erosion. Wind can easily blow away loose soil. One way to protect soil is to cover it. Plants such as grass, shrubs, and trees cover soil. The roots of plants help hold the soil in place. Plant protection. Plants can help stop landslides from happening too. People can plant trees and shrubs on hills. During heavy rains, the roots help hold the soil in place. Heavy rains can also cause rivers to rise and flood nearby land. Levees help hold back water and stop the land from eroding. A levee is a wall or grassy hill on the side of a river. Small scale. People and communities can play a big part in slowing and stopping erosion. Grass in sports fields often gets ripped up from a lot of use. This leaves the soil uncovered and at risk for erosion. Planting new grass will help protect the soil for the next season. Channeling rainwater. Ditches channel rainwater away from bare fields and dirt roads. Rainwater can cause ditches to erode. Planting grass in the ditches can help slow down erosion.